Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we got some quick cruise news for you today because we have been waiting for the answer of which was going to be the major cruise line, one of the big ones, to finally drop pre-cruise testing, and we officially have an answer. So the Royal Caribbean Group, so Royal Caribbean and Celebrity Cruise Lines, is going to drop the pre-cruise testing requirement for vaccinated passengers on cruises that are 5 nights or less beginning August the 8th. All right. So starting August the 8th, if you are sailing 5 nights or less on Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruise Lines, and you are fully vaccinated or vaccinated, remember, booster shots are only recommended, not required. So vaccinated, you do not have to take a pre-cruise test. Now, on cruises that are 6 nights and longer, you still have to do the pre-cruise test regardless of your vaccination status. And of course, anybody who is unvaccinated in cruising still has to take the pre-cruise test no matter the length of the cruise at all. Now, they are expecting here in the not-so-distant future that for cruises that are longer than 6 nights, the fully vaccinated won't have to take the test here. That's going to be like the next step. They said that's coming here in the near future. But for right now, Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruise Lines, 5 nights or less, effective August the 8th, no pre-cruise test is required. So if you have an upcoming cruise in August on one of those 2 cruise lines, and it's a short cruise, 5 nights or less, you will not have to pre-cruise test if you are vaccinated. So that's good news. One less thing to worry about, one less expense to worry about. With cruise testing, now costing money, you can't get them free, as much as you used to. So this is good news. It's another step forward, another step in the right direction to get back to normal cruising. And it answers the question, who's going to be the first big cruise line? We were asking, is it going to be Royal Caribbean? Is it going to be Carnival? Was it going to be Norwegian here in the United States? Well, now we know it's Royal Caribbean. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course let you know anytime a news video comes out, just like this one with the latest cruise news. Hope everyone has a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.